So hi, welcome to FILBangalore. Could you give a quick intro of yourself and what you do at Arcana?
Yeah, sure. I'm Mayur. I'm one of the founders and the CEO at Arcana. I've been working in tech for over 20 years now. And at Arcana, I oversee mainly product and do a bunch of CEO things, I think.
So what have been the key highlights in 2024 for Arcana and you?
Yeah, so the biggest highlight for us through 2024 has been the fact that, there was this idea that we were working on for chain abstraction, which has now become like this huge narrative and meta within the space.
Right.
And we started working on this middle of last year, and it's just great to see the validation within the industry that we were thinking about the right problems and the right solutions for it. And yeah, I mean, building a solution and taking this to market is what we are really excited about.
Any narrative and trend you see upcoming in the coming year?
I think the modular thesis will play out very strongly, where basically people will start building their own app chains, basically, or their own sovereign rollups, and all of these sorts of things. We're going to have hundreds, maybe thousands of chains over the next couple of years.
Right.
And yeah, chain abstraction will be there to support it.
Any alpha related to Arcana for the viewers out there?
Yeah, sure. So we actually show chain abstraction today, like I did in my demo here through our wallet. But the big alpha is that we're going to be releasing our SDK next week. And this will allow developers to natively have chain abstraction brought to their users, and their users can use any existing wallet. So this will be out next week.
Very cool.
Advice, I'd probably say something like, just build pragmatic stuff, focus on innovation. The tooling is there. The frameworks are there, whether it's chain abstraction, DRTC, whatever it may be. It's all available. Build pragmatic stuff, make the right choices, get the right set of advisors around you to kind of take you through this journey. It's a hard one, but it'll pay off very well. So yeah, focus on that.